Hey guys, a big shout out to every subscriber out there. I really appreciate you. Couldn't be doing this without you. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. So we're working with the 2000 Jeep Wrangler today. The guys over at American Modified sent me over a grill cover to put on this thing. I'm kind of anxious to see what it's going to look like. So let's tear into the box and see what we got. So I've got some fasteners in here. Some paperwork. Well, check this out. Wasn't that something? It's made out of, I want to say, some sort of plastic or polyurethane. Looks pretty cool. Grill cover does come with some very good detailed instructions, and looks like all the hardware that you need to install it. We've got a little bit of prep work. They would have you make sure that you clean your grill, which I keep mine pretty clean. We need to remove both headlight bezels. We also need to remove the bumper cover. There's 4 bolts. They're 10 millimeter. There's 2 on each side. So we'll pop that off. And then we'll also need to lift our hood so that we can install 2 fasteners in the top. Go ahead and remove the bumper guard bolts. 10 millimeter. Remove your bumper guard cover, or whatever you want to call this, bumper cover. We'll just set that here for now. Now you would think that these 2 holes here are the ones you need, but they're actually down below it. Don't know if I can get you down there close enough to see. But that one there, and there's one right here below it. So those are the ones that you need to put your bolts in for the bottom of the grill. Here's where our lower bolts go. Right here. That hole there. The tabs don't stick down as far as I thought they would. In fact, I'm not sure if you can tell. The tab stops right here, almost at the very top of that hole. Now it looks like you got to push down a little bit to get it to go all the way into that groove. It takes a little bit of effort, but I think that's going to give it a more snug fit. Now we've got the bottom bolted and locked into place. We can go ahead and retain the top part of it. We want to use these retainers. Make sure that this is lifted up. Might take a little effort to get them started, but we do want a nice snug fit. Got them in place. I like to push the tabs down all the way. Once you've got it secured in place, you can lock them down. Now they're locked in place. Your grill cover is secured. Lid closes good. It kind of looks like what we thought it would. I think it looks pretty tough. Looks a little mean, don't it? I don't know. I've heard some people say that this is supposed to make them look pissed off or something. I'm not really sure if they're supposed to look angry or I'm not really sure, but it looks kind of neat. I don't know. So if you're checking this out, tell me what you think. Stick with this grill cover? Go with the stock look? What's your opinion? What do you like? If you want one for yourself, I got a link down below in the description. Thanks for watching.